My name is Harendra Kumar. Belongs from Jharkhand, Bogaro State City. Done my BE from Allen City, Bhopal. As within 2019, I have completed my graduation. But at that time, I was in a dilemma that what I should do. I should go with mechanical branch or should switch to somewhere else. So within the pandemic time, I was in full dilemma that what to do, what not to do. But after that, I came to know about this Qspiders. One of my friends just suggested about this, as he was also the student of here. So according to that, I just made a contact over here. So and got the review about this. Come to know about this within Google itself. Then I thought, why not to join? After joining over here, within the online itself, I just made a admission and all. So the experience within online also was awesome for me. Means that manual was taught by Ramya ma'am. As Ramya ma'am was very awesome. Means she taught me very good in manual. And after that, Nagab sir was in taking Java within online itself. So the experience was was also awesome. When I came over here, I just followed to Nagab sir only within offline. And over here, when I came over offline, here I just took the classes of pre-programming from Raghu sir, which was impossible to know about the logics, which I